Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find a QR code in eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, now you will be needing simply to go to your sold items. So here we are going to find out how to get the QR code from this answer on this community or eBay community. And basically, all you will be needing to do is just to go to your to your orders or your sold items that you will have on orders. So basically, you can get it from my eBay and then go to selling. And by going to selling, you'll find your orders. So this is just the overview, and here you will be needing to go to orders. By going to orders, you will find all your orders. You click on the one that you want to ship, and then you will be able to start uh, having shipping labels for it. So basically from here you will find your shipping labels. Now you will be needing to just to simply ship your order. You will need just to use a service or a carrier. Now you will need just to choose any service that is supporting QR codes. By having a supporter for QR codes, you will be able to start save to your phone and scan it where you ship. So basically in the QR code you will need just to purchase and print the label, and basically you will start having the label. Now you will be able to go to my eBay shipping label, and then from here you will need just to find your QR code from here, and then you can give it to them or you can save it already from your phone when you print it. And after that you will need just to give it to the shipping carrier. So here you will go to the retail associate and they will scan the QR code on your phone, and after that they are the one that will print the eBay label for you to apply to your shipment. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching, see you next time.